On 25th November 2022, a delegation of Cabinet Ministers of Meghalaya under the leadership of Chief Minister Conrad Sangma and Deputy Chief Minister Prestone Tynsong had met the Chairman of the National Human Rights Commission NHRC, Justice Arun Kumar Mishra, the Secretary General of the NHRC, Devendra Kumar Singh, and Member of the NHRC, Rajiv Jain, in New Delhi to give a detailed account of the firing incident that claimed 6 lives at Mukroh in West Jaintia Hills of Meghalaya. At the same time, the delegation sought the support for necessary action from their end and also stressed on the need for proper sensitization of forces deputed in sensitive border areas so that such incidents where precious lives are lost do not reoccur in any part of the country.
We just met the Chairperson of the National Human Rights Commission along with the other members, and we have apprised them about the incident that happened in Mukroh village, West Jaintia Hills in Meghalaya, about the fact that how the Assam police had fired on the civilians and on the public in that village, which led to 6 people losing their lives. And we explained and expressed about how this was a very inhuman act and a complete violation of human rights. And we have apprised them about the entire actions that have been taken and the fact that CBI inquiry will take place. And we have asked for their support in this entire matter and also requested them to take necessary action from their side, as this is a clear case of human rights violation. We have also asked them that in the future these kind of incidents should not be repeated, and hence proper sensitization needs to be taken and done in terms of the forces that are there in different parts of the border areas, especially the sensitive areas, so that future these kind of incidents where innocent lives are lost does not happen ever again in any part of the country, for the matter of fact. So these were the points we discussed with them, and I thank the Chairperson and the members for the time, and again I request them that they will take necessary action from their end, and I hope that we will see positive results from it.